Alright, today we're going to try and put the PCCM Plus into our 996 Turbo. The car originally came with a single DIN radio with the AC unit above it. The PCCM Plus is a double. You have to get a new frame, and you end up relocating the AC down below into the storage compartment where the CD changer is. The biggest problem we're going to have is that somebody's already put an aftermarket unit in it. They ran speaker wire to eliminate the factory amp, and we're going to have to try and make that work again. We have to redo all the wiring for it. And let's get in there and take the radio apart. Got to build a little support tray for the back of the radio. It holds all the other electronics. It goes in the glove box. And the microphone. I need to look up the instructions on how to put the bracket together. Let's see if we can make connectors happen. Goes there. Does it turn on? All right, that much works. At least we know we can turn it on. Now we got to figure out how to make it make sound.